Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do so now by hitting the red subscribe button below, and you can also hit the push notification button so that you can get more updates from this channel. Thank you. So let's go to the business of today. I'll be talking to us briefly on how to monetize your YouTube page. Go on with it. There are some technicalities when it comes to starting a YouTube page first, then actually getting monetized in the process. So I'll be showing us the step-by-step process in which first to start your YouTube page, then to monetize it so you can start earning a living from YouTube. When YouTube started, it was very easy for creators to actually create a YouTube channel and just dump in videos and actually get monetized in the process. But as time went on, I think in the year 2018, YouTube actually changed their system to a way that you have to create something of quality first before you can actually get monetized. Then at the beginning of 2019, that's in January, YouTube also changed their system that first you have to have about 1,000 genuine subscribers to your channel, then also you have 4,000 hours of watch time. Why did they do that? So that they can actually have people who are bringing in something of quality to the system and not just copyrights and other things to the system. Now I will start with first how to create a YouTube channel. Now if you want to create a YouTube channel, it's very easy. You just go to www.youtube.com, then you see at the top corner you see create channel. There you put in the username you want to put. It's as easy as doing it in about 1 minute. You create a YouTube channel for yourself. Some even have YouTube channels and they are not even aware of it that they have it. So you just go there, you click on the top right button if you are using a system or a mobile phone, then you see a drop down menu saying you should create a new channel. Then you create a new channel, put in the name you want to see. That name can only be changed for 6 months. After 6 months is termed as a channel that is not new anymore, so you can't change that name again. So you have to be sure of the name you are putting into as your YouTube name before you actually put the name there. So after creating the channel, you don't just start earning immediately. There are several processes you need to follow. I will lead you through the step-by-step process of how to get monetized in the process. First, after creating your channel, then you need to source for subscribers. And how do you source for subscribers? You have to create videos that will actually draw the attention of people. Like I always tell people, your first set of subscribers should be your friends and family, because they are the ones to sell you to the world. So you don't create videos and expect 0 subscribers to watch it. First of all, you tell them to subscribe to your channel. After they subscribe to your channel, they help you share your videos to the public, and from there they share it to other people in the public. Then your videos start trending on different angles. So imagine me creating a video first, and I tell a person A, a person B, and a person C to help me share the video, and person A tells another person to share the video, person B tell another person to share the video, person C tells another person to share the video, and so on. So you could see that now this video has not only reached 3 people, it has extended to 3 more people telling them to share. So you have about 6 people now, and there's a high probability that 5 out of those 6 people will subscribe to your channel. So as you keep creating more content, those ones see your video, and the new subscribers you have keep sharing your videos if you are creating something of quality and a very good content. So but if you create something that they can easily just unsubscribe from your channel, then it's not actually right. So that's the first step to actually getting through your monetization stage. So from there, building to 1,000 subscribers is very easy. It's like the easiest thing to do on YouTube, because as you keep sharing it to the public, they keep sharing it, in no time you get to 1,000 subscribers, because at the point you might create a content that YouTube might see as something of quality to the public and put it under suggested videos for people to see, and as they keep seeing it, it becomes suggested videos and it starts getting more and more views, and from there you could get as much um, subscribers as you want from there. So that the more subscribers you have, the more people watch your videos. Take note of that. So getting to 4,000 subscribers, you get into 4,000 watch hours of time. Now getting to 1,000 subscribers, like I said, is the easiest. Watch out for the next part of this video so you can learn how to actually get monetized and make money from your blog. Thank you.